Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can basically color the top only on the watermelon jacket. So if you go here and you go to codes and you select the watermelon jacket, which is this one, and you select the top only, sometimes you can't just color it from here. You actually have to toggle it to the right side of preview. Then you can color the top only, and that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.